Good morning, sunshine. Ooh, ooh, my lens are dirty. Ooh, lens are dirty. So, yeah, we are finished. We are officially finished treating the children's room. And I am really impressed with that ultrasonic that we used. So, let me show you the boys' room. Aww. This is the boys' room. So let me turn you guys around so you can see. So, this is the baby's room. So the boys' beds are down. I'll put back down. So they have their books over there. Their backpack for school. Their nightstand with their clock. Jordan's bed. Jordan's there. All of his Nerf guns on his side. And then Jaxson we put there. That's Maddie's thing. It needs to go out, but for right now it's staying there. So this is Jaxson. And then on this side I just have random stuff on their wall. Like that thing, this thing right here is a newspaper they got when they were born. So that's from 2006. It's just a package of newspaper. So I just have that there. And then their little chore thing right here with their chores and stuff they get. Their little stickers when they do their chores. Something fell. I'll pick that up. And then there's nothing there, nothing there. I have a tiny little room. And then, oh, their closet. So, their closet is like, oh my gosh. So that's Jaxson's. All Jaxson's. This is, that's Jaxson's winter clothes. Size 8 from the boys. More. That's Jaxson's. All Jaxson's. The boys blankets. Some of these are from when they were babies. These were their crib sheets when they were babies. And then these are their clothes. And then my husband stuck the dresser in here and broke it. He broke the dresser because this is not supposed to be like that. He broke that, but I don't care. It's in there. It's out the way. And the boys' room is put back together. So that's that. So yeah. So there you go. The boys are back in business. Yep, that's that. So I'm gonna move on to my shirt looking all.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
So we're gonna. Hi. Don't mind my breasticles. Did you have one earlier?
No.
Okay, sure. So I'm gonna show you guys my Destiny's room. But before I show you that that he's vacuuming one last time, and then we're done with vacuuming for today, because we vacuum twice a day. Because my husband is paranoid about these fleas and getting on them, and because they're going back in their rooms tonight, it's very important that there's nothing in their room to bite them, because just thinking of bugs being on my kids and biting them is freaking me out. But his dedication to this is because it was his idea for us to have animals, pets. So I never wanted animals because I grew up with animals. Grant you, I grew up with animals, but I grew up in Jamaica. And in Jamaica, your animals live outside. They don't come inside and be on your bed and in your living space and stuff. But we think the cat brought the I think when we got the cat excuse me, when we got the cat, I think she had fleas, and I think she was the culprit with the fleas, and we didn't know. Because when we got Juju, Juju was clean. Because when we got his haircut, there was nothing on him. And about a week later, my daughter was bathing the animals. That's where we, that's where we found the flea. So I'm gonna show you guys her room next. I talk too much. I gotta go. Okay, so let's go to Destiny's room. Dun, 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 dun. Well, Destiny and Jackson, but it's mostly Destiny. So the lighting is bad in here.
Yeah.
Oh, cause Daddy turned off the
Lights.
There, we're yellow. So Destiny's room is back. Let's turn you guys around. You're yellow.
Is that green?
Yeah.
Yep. Yellow.
So.
Blue yellow. You're the blue one.
Okay, so.
You're the green one.
Her American Girl doll beds are here. Their clothes and stuff and toys and stuff there. What? Her kitchen is right there. This is Jackson's side with his clothes. This is her side with her clothes. This is Jackson's bed.
Yes.
Which he hardly. Are you sleeping in your bed now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna be a big boy.
I am.
Dustin sleeps on the top. Why is there a trash bag right there?
I don't know why. Mommy, get.
And that's her chore thingy. And this is
Bookshelf. I like this.
bookshelf with storage of all their toys. More bookshelf. Let's get down.
I need my panda.
Get down.
Oh,
And then her closet. And that's all her American Girl dolls stack. There's two dolls in each row, except for this row right here. So she has Leah, Isabel, Mary Ellen, Grace, Sage, Julie, we don't know.
Behind that bag.
It's a whole bunch. Her clothes I have to go through because a lot of these don't fit.
Not even that trip right there.
Yeah, a lot of those don't fit. Her bags, her shoe that we took up off the floor because we had to treat. These are seasonal items, and our beach chairs. So, and this dresser is mine. That's where she keeps some of her clothes.
No, look at her dressing that.
All right, get out, get out, get out. Thank you. Thank you, Gio.
That's mommy.
All right.
Daddy.
She stained the carpet with, and then her other bed is right there for her doll. And then that's Gio's big old Paw Patrol toys that we just need to be getting rid of, right?
No.
No. Let's go. All right, people.